What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gareth Collins, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I'm currently waiting on parts to arrive for the CBR rebuild. Because it is festive season, it's taking a lot longer to find parts and have them delivered, but hopefully by next week I'll be able to upload part 3 of the CBR rebuild. As you guys can see in the title, this video is going to be a little bit different than usual. I'll be giving you guys a full breakdown of what it costed me to rebuild the S1000RR from start to finish, as well as all the extras I put on it. Now, I'm not going to give you guys a price on labor costs because I rebuilt the bike myself, and I'm also not going to include the price for the tools, but just to give you guys an idea, I paid about $200 on tools alone. None of these parts were sponsored, and most of these parts were not bought through the dealer, so I'm not sure what it would have costed if you went to the dealer and bought these parts brand new. But I did get these parts secondhand in very good condition. So this is just going to be a breakdown of what it costed me to rebuild this S1000RR. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I bought the bike for $8,930. Now I know I spent a lot for it, but at the time when I first saw the bike, it didn't seem like it had a lot of damages, but nonetheless, I still think I bought it for quite a good price. I had to buy a new rear wheel for it. That was $316 because the old one was torn right through and I didn't like the idea of having it welded. The steering damper or steering stabilizer needed to be welded back on. That was another $7. Now I know that sounds cheap, but the guy that did the welding for me charges about $20 an hour, and he only took about 20 minutes to finish the welding. Original rear sets, that was $113 secondhand but never used. The guy put on aftermarket rear sets and turned his bike into a track bike, and that is also where I found the throttle side or right hand side handlebar for another $113. He charged me the same price for both things. Now this was a bargain because these things are really expensive at BMW, and I would have easily paid more than double for both those items. I merged two headlights into one, and I had to buy one of the headlights for $67. Even though it was cracked and damaged, at least the lens was good and came out perfectly. I also put in C6 headlights and RGB parking lights for a total of $22. So far we're at $9,568. Moving on to the fairing stay bracket, this was $63 brand new but aftermarket. I installed a full stainless steel exhaust system with a titanium slip-on for $633. This was the most expensive part of building the bike, but worth every penny because when Sleeping Beauty wakes up, she becomes a beast. Aftermarket fairings purchased at $457, not bad for the price and the quality of the fairings considering the sick design. Lever guards $63 and radiator guards $60. You can get this on Amazon for a lot cheaper if you don't pay for shipping, but that's what it costed me for shipping included. I got smoked out integrated tail light for $70 and a tail tidy for $25. That gives the bike a sick look. Front indicators $24, also smoked out and matching the tail light. I bought a BMW badge for $21 at a motorcycle salvage center because a new badge at BMW is $60. I had a tank pad set custom made for $63 and they look absolutely insane. And then I did a service on the bike which consists of a new chain, $123, oil $60, oil filter $21, brake pads $176, and a DNA performance air filter for $106. So the total cost of all the repairs and parts without the bike's pricing included is a total of $2,543, and with the bike's price included it's $11,473. For the South Africans out there watching this, it costed 162,175 Rand, which I don't think is actually that bad because a brand new 2017 S1000RR prices at about $18,845. And a second-hand one costs around $14,500. But keep in mind that both the new and the second-hand one would probably be in better condition, but still completely stock, of which you would still have to take out more money to do modifications and add on extras. So the question you're probably wondering right now is, would I ever sell it, and if so, at what price? Well, I don't plan on selling it just yet, but if I happen to sell it, I'd probably sell it for around $14,000, and that would be with all the extras included, and it's still cheaper than a second-hand 2017 S1000RR. And with that being said, leave your comments and thoughts down below of what you thought of the S1000RR rebuild. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. Also guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can get an inside scoop before YouTube. Until next time, peace.